Good stuff.
Making sand smooth stage. You have to make everything nice and smooth. This way the liner won't look all messed up. You make all this rough and stomped up area look nice and smooth like that. Get the finished product in a couple minutes. It's starting to look like a pole again. Talking business.
Because people look through ads. I always have results on paper.
Alright, you can hop out. Don't mess it up when you hop out. There it is, all finished. Wow. With that liner in there, it looks good. For the vacuum. Yeah, some things never change from year to year. Once again, Pete's hat is blowing the pool. Here it comes. Here's the real job. You reach it, Walt? Walt's got a new hat. There he is, proud to action. Ready to be fired up. You're gonna need some blocks, right, Pete?
Yes, two of them. There should be some in the back there.
Yeah, the ones we threw?